Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're working on this oven, and what we've got going on is the lights don't come on. It's a very simple problem. Normally, the lights would come on when I open the oven. There's two of them in the back of this KitchenAid, and apparently they both have failed. Sorry, I've got a little monster here. Hey! So anyway, inside of the oven here, so you can see in the back there's two glass covers that cover up the lights. Now your oven may or may not have, some models don't have covers over the lights, but most of the time you will. So you reach back and get a hold of it and it just threads off like that. You can see it's just like a little jar almost that threads over the top of where that light bulb is. Now I've actually already taken the bulb out of that side, so we'll grab the other side here too. Yeah, it's a little bit hot yet. We just used this a few minutes ago. We'll get it up here in a second. And there we go. Second one here. And now you can see the bulb up in this top corner. And I'll go ahead and thread that out. See if I can reach it. It's a little bit of a stretch to reach back in there. There we go. There's the old bulb. And you can see here it's just basically it's a regular incandescent bulb. This is a 40 watt, if you can focus here, 40 watt incandescent appliance bulb. And we have some replacements here. And I picked these up at Walmart, but you can probably pick some up online too. I'll link in the description to what you'd be looking for. But this is designed for both high and low temperatures. It is actually an appliance bulb. You could try a regular incandescent, but it's probably not going to last as long because these are designed for ovens specifically. So 40 watt is the maximum rating for this particular oven. So there's our replacement bulb. It's a little bit different, but pretty much the same size and everything. There's compared to the old bulb. So pretty simple. So we'll go ahead and thread this guy in here and see what happens if I can reach it. There we go. Light on that side, and I'll go ahead and put the other one in on the other side. And there we have it. It is now well lit. Looks like I must have it turned on here. Yep. So that is looking pretty fantastic, except for you can see the glass needs to be cleaned here now. And we'll just go ahead and replace these glass covers inside of there. These are a little bit tricky to get threaded on, but not too bad. And we do have our covers back on there now. Now I should mention that if you want to be extra safe, you could turn the power off to your range while you do this, but it's really no different than changing any other light bulb in your house. And yeah, I realized this was a very simple project, but going into it, I had never changed a bulb on my oven before, and so I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated. So now you know it's not that hard at all. Again, link in the description to replacement bulbs if you're interested. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next video. See ya. Can you say bye? Bye.